Looking for the best apps on the iPhone App Store can be overwhelming with the endless options available. In this video, we will provide you with tips and tricks to help you find the best app for your needs. Firstly, we go to the App Store, open it, and step 1, understand your need. The first step to finding the best apps is to understand your need. What type of apps are you looking for? Entertainment, productivity, education, or something else? Once you have identified your need, you can start your search in the right category. Step 2. Use the App Store search. The App Store search bar is a powerful tool that you can use to find the best apps. You can search for apps by name, by category, developer, or keyword. Make sure you use specific keywords that describe the app you are looking for. For example, I'm going to find a game. I love to play game. I'm choose the game. I pick this one. And we are going to the step 3. Check app rating and review. Before you download any app, make sure to check its rating and review. The App Store has a rating system that ranks from 1 to 5 stars. You can also read reviews from other users to see if the app is worth your time and money. And we go to the step 4. Look for featured apps. The App Store regularly features new and popular apps. You can find them on the Today tab, Games tab, and Apps tab. These featured apps are often curated by Apple and can be a great place to discover new and high-quality apps. Step 5. Use app recommendation. The App Store can recommend apps based on your previous downloads and searches. You can find this recommendation in the Today and Apps tab. These recommendations are personalized and can help you discover new apps that you may not have found otherwise. Step 6. Consider paid apps. While there are many free apps available on the App Store, sometimes the best apps are paid. Paid apps often have more features and better user experience. Before you purchase any paid apps, make sure to read its review and rating. For example, I'm going to pick this. Is it paid? And I'm going to check the rating is 4.3 and I'm read the review from the other user. Now we are going to the step 7. Keep your apps updated. Once you have downloaded your apps, make sure to keep them updated. App updates can bring new features, bug fixes, and security enhancements. You can check for app updates in the App Store under the Updates tab. Step 8. Browse curated collection. Another great way to find top apps is to browse curated collection in the App Store. Apple features collection of apps in various categories, such as Best New App, Top Free Apps, and Editor Choice. These collections are a great way to discover new and popular apps that you might not have found otherwise. Finding these best apps on the iPhone App Store can be overwhelming. But with these tips and tricks, you can simplify your search and discover high-quality apps that meet your need. Remember to understand your need, use the searching bar, check rating and review, look for featured apps, use recommendation, consider paid apps, and keep your apps updated for the best experience. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!